On November 6th, over 3 dozen people from MtnRoo Tri-State, Subaru Ambassadors and Subaru of America got together to have an epic off-road adventure and forest cleanup. After some epic off-roading miles, we stopped for lunch before heading deep into the NJ Pine Barrens. Once there, we spent hours picking up trash and sorting it for recycling. The team worked tirelessly until just before sunset, taking a few breaks to explore the terrain, before diving right back into picking up trash strewn throughout the forest and sand. We had many people combing the forest area for trash, while others took the time to sort everything out so as little as possible would end up in a landfill. In total, we removed 1,136 pounds of trash from the NJ Pine Barrens, over half a ton. It was a day well spent.